Kids, have you ever imagined a place where animals can talk, fairies fly through glowing trees, and magical creatures live together in peace? What if you could walk inside a forest filled with sparkling rivers, rainbow lights, and wonderful friends? Today's magical story is about a brave little girl who discovers the secrets of the magic forest and saves it with the help of her amazing friends. Welcome to Tazzlora, where magical kids' stories come to life. Once upon a time, far away from busy cities, there was a beautiful place called Magic Forest. The forest was unlike any other forest in the world. The trees glowed softly at night, colorful butterflies filled the sky, and a sparkling river flowed gently between the trees. In the middle of this magical forest lived a kind and curious girl named Lina. Lina loved exploring the forest and talking with her magical friends. Her best friends were a clever fox who knew every secret path in the forest, a friendly blue bear who loved helping others, a playful monkey who swung happily from tree to tree, a wise owl who watched over the forest from high branches, and a beautiful rainbow unicorn with a glowing golden horn. But the most magical friend of all was a tiny fairy named Luma, who spread sparkling fairy dust everywhere she flew. Together, they protected the forest and kept it full of magic. Kids, if you had a magical forest like this, which friend would you choose first? A clever fox, a playful monkey, or a magical rainbow unicorn? One peaceful morning, something strange happened in the forest. The glowing lights slowly began to fade. The sparkling river stopped shining. Even the butterflies disappeared from the sky. Lina looked around with worry. "Oh no," she said softly. "Something is wrong with the magic forest." The wise owl flew down and spoke carefully. "The heart of the forest, the magic crystal, is losing its power. Without the crystal's light, the forest would slowly lose all of its magic." Lina and her friends knew they had to find the crystal and save their home. The clever fox led the group through secret forest paths. The playful monkey climbed tall trees to search the area. The owl flew high in the sky to guide everyone. The friendly bear helped clear the path through thick bushes. Finally, deep inside a glowing cave, they discovered something important. The magic crystal was hidden there, but it had become dim and weak. The forest needed a powerful spark of magic to bring it back. Kids, what do you think can save the magic forest? Teamwork? Friendship? Or maybe a little bit of unicorn magic? The rainbow unicorn stepped forward bravely. Its golden horn began to glow brighter and brighter. Lina and her friends gathered around the crystal and believed in the magic of friendship. Suddenly, the unicorn touched the crystal with its glowing horn. A burst of rainbow light filled the cave. The crystal began shining brighter than ever before. The magic returned to the forest. The river sparkled again. Butterflies filled the sky, and the magic forest was saved. Moral of the story: the true magic of the forest was never just the crystal. The real magic was friendship, teamwork, and believing in each other. We hope you enjoyed this magical adventure in Magic Forest. If you love magical kids stories, animal adventures, and bedtime stories with morals, make sure to subscribe to Tazzlora. And remember, Tazzlora, where magical kids stories come to life.